Hello, my dear employer. My name is Michi C. Cabigon, 38 years old, and a mother of 3 children. I studied 2 years in College of Education undergraduate. I am a trustworthy, hardworking, responsible, love children, jolly, and a positive attitude person. I worked in Kuwait for 2 years from 2017 to 2019 with finished contract. I also worked in Dubai, United Arab Emirates for 4 years with one employer from 2020 to 2024 with finished contract. I'm taking care of children ages 4 to 17 years old and a newborn baby by preparing their food, their things for school, teach them proper hygiene, play with them, teach and help them in their school activity and outside activity. I'm also doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and do ironing while the baby is sleeping. I'm also taking care of the baby by feeding milk, give them bath, change them, make baby food and feed them, and stay with them when they are awake. If you give me a chance to work with you, Madam and Sir, I will do my best and everything and willing to learn. And most of all, I will love and take good care of your children as my own. I'm so excited to see and meet you. Thank you and have a nice day.